One mountain is the tallest. Another is deadlier. And one? You can hike in shorts. Welcome to the 7 summits. Imagine standing somewhere so high, the clouds are below you and the air feels thin. That's what it's like on the 7 summits, the tallest mountain on each continent. But these aren't just piles of rock. Each one is a test, a symbol, and a story. Let's go continent by continent. Asia, Mount Everest. The king. 848 meters above sea level. But even though it's the tallest, some say it's not the toughest. More on that later. South America, Aconcagua. Argentina. 662 meters of brutal wind and lonely slopes. The air's so dry you can still find mummified remains of ancient climbers on the way up. That's how unforgiving it is. North America, Denali. Alaska. 690 meters. Everest might be taller, but Denali feels higher because it rises straight up from near sea level. It's so cold your water bottle can freeze inside your jacket. Africa, Kilimanjaro. Tanzania. 5895 meters. A volcano that stands alone, rising out of the plains like it was photoshopped in. You don't need ropes or oxygen, just stamina, and maybe some luck with the weather. Europe, Mount Elbrus. Russia. 5,042 meters. A snow-covered volcano tucked into the Caucasus Mountains, right on the edge where Europe and Asia start to blur. Antarctica, Mount Vinson. 4,892 meters of silence, ice, and isolation. Getting there is harder than climbing it. You need a plane, then a smaller plane, and then nerves of steel. Oceania, Puncak, Jaya, Indonesia. 4,084 meters. It's buried deep in jungle-covered mountains, and just getting there is an expedition. You need a helicopter to reach the base, and the climb includes rock, ice, and unpredictable weather, all in one day. It's the least accessible of the 7 summits, and one of the most surprising. Together, they're called the 7 summits. And climbing all of them is one of the ultimate achievements in mountaineering. The first person to do it, a businessman named Richard Bass back in 1985. He wasn't a pro climber, just obsessed. It shows greatness doesn't always come from where you'd expect. Each summit has its own way of challenging you. Altitude, cold, isolation, or even access. There's no single hardest mountain, but each one dares you to find out why it might be. So, if you could climb one, which would it be? And which one makes you want to find out more?